In some cases, a terrace is unimaginable without glazing, especially if it is in an open area where evening winds prevail.
A glazed terrace provides protection from wind, rain, even mosquitoes, and the possibility to extend the warm season or not interrupt it at all. Terrace glazing consists of two stages. First, a canopy is installed, openings are measured, and based on the dimensions, the frame and glass for the terrace glazing are prepared. The terrace must be installed on a solid foundation because the aluminum construction and the canopy are quite heavy. Hollow aluminum profiles are used for the canopy, and a drain pipe installed inside does not disrupt the aesthetics of the terrace. The stands are fixed to the terrace boards. A beam is attached to the stands. This beam also serves as the drain pipe where the rafters will rest. Another beam is attached to the wall. Rafters are fixed to both the wall beam and the main beam. A special water barrier is placed along the wall. Tempered glass is used for the roof of the canopy, secured with glass strips. Even simple glass reduces light flow, though tinted glass offers better protection from sunlight. The glass strips between the panes prevent water leakage. The installation of the terrace canopy took 4 hours. Rain is no longer a concern. The next step is glazing the terrace. Terrace glazing can be framed or frameless. Frame constructions use aluminum profiles that frame the glass sections. Frameless systems can be either sliding or folding. Intornas specialists measure the openings of the assembled or existing canopy. Based on these measurements, aluminum profiles and glass are cut at the factory, and glass strips and other accessories are prepared. Upon arrival at the site, Intornas specialists assemble the frame and attach it to the canopy beams. The client's terrace only needs the glass to be placed in the assembled frame. The newest frameless glazing system allows the terrace to be opened by sliding the glass to one side and pressing it against the sidewall. The glass is hung on the top profile, which must be securely fixed using special threaded rivets. The bottom profile acts as a guide and can be lower in height so it does not become an obstacle when walking. The glass, when slid to one side, takes up very little space. They are placed in a glass catcher and can be folded one by one, making the terrace completely open. The glass panes interlock, allowing a lock to be installed. Another frameless glazing method uses sliding glass sections on rails. In this case, almost the entire glazed terrace wall can be opened, except for one section where the other glass sections stack. The frameless sliding system consists of 3 types of profiles. The bottom profile, on which the glass, secured in glass strips, slides. The top profile, where the top part of the glass is set. And the side profile, where the stacked glass rests. The tightness of the frameless system is ensured by seals. Brushes are placed in the profiles at the top and bottom, preventing water from entering. The top brushes also prevent the glass from scratching the aluminum profile. A special sealing profile can be installed between the glass panes. Sealing profiles prevent water and dust from entering the terrace. Finishing profiles with brushes are used on the edges to ensure tightness at the edges. A major advantage of the sliding rail system is the low bottom profile, just 23 millimeters in height. A small gutter is installed at the bottom of the rail to drain condensation from the inner side of the glass to the outside. For terrace glazing, 8 to 10 millimeter tempered glass is used. The maximum width of the glass is 120 centimeters, and the height is 2.5 meters. In this terrace, two types of frameless systems were used, sliding on the sides and fully openable at the front. The glazing of the terrace took about 5 hours. Now the terrace can be used almost all year round. Contact Intornas specialists. They will advise you on which terrace will best suit your home and install it. Contact details can be found in the film's description. An approximate price for terrace glazing can also be found in the film's description. In each case, the price of terrace glazing is negotiated individually and depends on the specific property and terrace parameters. We are a second-generation family business. We started nearly 3 decades ago with the production and installation of aluminum windows, doors, and winter gardens. Aluminum glass systems are our area of expertise. We are specialists in our field and stay focused. Throughout the company's history, we have successfully implemented highly complex projects that others were afraid to undertake. We have gained a wealth of experience. We manufacture and install everything ourselves. Therefore, we check the quality at every stage of the project. We have even provided post-warranty service for projects completed 15 years ago.